Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to make your Squarespace website truly yours, adding a logo is one of the first steps you should take. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of adding and customizing your logo in Squarespace, so your site can reflect your unique brand right from the very beginning. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just starting your online journey, this video is perfect for you. So let's begin. Now, once you are inside the Squarespace website, you might want to hover to the AI logo maker, wherein all you have to do is type in your company. In my case, I'm going to put in GPLAFS and click on the forward button. And as you can see, you might want to search for symbols if you want. All right. Let's say I'm going to be using this kind of circular right here. You have the option for the color. You can use something like, I don't know. Our color is kind of like this. The border color can be something like a red. You can put in the border width. So you have these options. So it depends really on you. All right, you can be creative and you're not limited with your imagination. For the GPLAFS, you can use the font. For example, I'm going to be choosing from Andica, Arial, maybe Monotone. Okay, so you can again change the font color. Maybe something like this one right here. You have the font style for regular, bold. I'm going to choose the regular for now. And again, from here, you have all of these options. All right. You can put in as much as symbols as you can, and no one is stopping you from doing so. Now, for example, this is what it's gonna look like for your website. All right, I'm gonna go back to the logo editor, click on save logo. Now you have two options. If you're not happy, just go back to editing, but if you want to download your logo for free, click on this button right here. Now these are gonna be your options. You can download. The color PNG is this kind of gonna be this coded hex. You can download this one. I'm gonna choose the center, the middle one. Now once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click on the account dashboard, and this would lead you to the website editor. Now for you to be able to add your logo, you see, you can simply click on the edit site header. Now here, okay, so you have the option for the pencil icon. You can edit the design. All right, adaptive design, color, and a lot more. And there's going to be the edit site title and logo. If you're not happy with the logo, all you have to do is click on the pencil icon and click on the thumbnail. Replace it and upload the file, or you can select from library. Now I'm uploading the logo that we have. Okay, so you have the option for the width height. So you have all these. For example, this mobile logo is max height. You can add also a mobile logo image. Click on it. Select from library because we have already uploaded that. Now, you see, we are on the desktop view. Of course, you might want to check that on the mobile view as well. So this is going to be the site title and logo, and you have all these. All right? Because adding a logo to your Squarespace site enhances your brand identity and creates a professional appearance. You just have to follow these steps to upload and customize your logo effectively. And again, once you're happy with it, all you have to do is click on save. All right? And that's it for today's video. You may also want to adjust the header here and other elements to ensure your logo integrates well with your overall site design. Thank you so much for watching.